So I got my wizard rocket back. Initially everything looked okay. I got the streamer laying down here on the floor. Haven't wound it up yet. Everything initially looked okay. When I say initially, it's like, oh, wait a minute, there's a little bit of a problem. Look at what happened here to the streamer. Now this is a 2-inch wide streamer. It's attached with a toothpick. If I zoom in there really close, look at what happened here. You can see that the toothpick is tearing off. I'll just kind of lift this up a little bit. You see it has lifted off. But look at the reason why. You can see that there is a piece of Kevlar cord. Yeah, let me move this with my other hand. There. So you got this piece of Kevlar cord sticking out in the middle of the streamer where the toothpick is. It's like, well, that's not supposed to be there. So what I think happened is that this Kevlar cord, as it was unwinding, I think it got hooked in that little notch of the wood, and then it sliced down into the actual streamer tape mount. So this is a situation which is kind of interesting, where the streamer is just fine. You can see that the mount is good. It's intact. Everything is stuck together extremely well. But the cord itself actually got hooked on this, and then it just pulled and tore into this. So this is not supposed to be here. You can see it goes in and comes back out. So there must have been some loop around that just kind of tore into it. So you can see I have to fix this, and it's easy to see what the problem is there. If you look really carefully, I don't know how close I can get. This particular toothpick has a little edge on it, a little notch on the end. There it is. You can see it now. So you see that notch hooked the cord. The cord sliced down, and the streamer was damaged. This was recovered successfully, but you can see the streamer now needs to be repaired. That should be very easy to do. But it reminds me of the fact that now I have to be very careful when I do my streamer mounts, that I don't have any sharp corners sticking out that could hook the cord, which could eventually just slice the streamer right off. So kind of an interesting little failure mode. So again, as engineering goes, we need to take a look at the problems. Then we have to think about, well, how do we fix them so we can get a better flight? So at this point, I need to go back and revisit all my streamers before I do my pre-flight and verify that there's no sharp corners sticking out of them that could hook the cord and cause it to slice the streamer right off. Okay, interesting little problem to solve.